Hello everyone, my name is Zach Banks, and today I'm going to show you how to create your first Visual Basic program using Microsoft's Visual Studio. So let's open up Microsoft Visual Studio and begin. Once it's opened up, click on File, and then click New Project. Under Project Types, make sure Visual Basic is selected, because the programming language you're going to be using today is Visual Basic. And then under Visual Studio Installed Templates, click on Console Application, because we're going to be creating a console application today. And with name, we're going to call it My First VB Console App, because it's important to write a name that says what it actually is, and it's our first Visual Basic console application. Click on OK to create it. And now that it's up, as you can see, Microsoft Visual Studio automatically creates a module for you in a sub-main. We're going to go ahead and take advantage of that and not mess with them at all. We're going to go ahead and start our coding. Now today, we're going to have our console application say Hello World, because it's a tradition that your first program always says Hello World. It's just how it is. We're going to welcome the program to the world. So, type in console dot right line bracket quotation hello world, and then close quotation, close the bracket. And then as you can see, it says console right line hello world. Now to see if it works, let's click on debug, then click start debugging. But it does not stay open up long enough for us to really see, so we're going to add one more line of code to see if it works. We'll be able to view the screen longer, so let's type in console dot readline and then close the brackets. And what this will do is keep up the console application window open longer until we decide to close it out, and you close it out by just hitting any key on your keyboard. But let's first make a mistake. Let's say we do not close a bracket there and try to run it. It'll say Microsoft Studio, there were build errors, would you like to continue and run the last successful build? And we're going to click no. And then it says expression expected, and when you click on it, it takes you directly to where your error is at, and that's one of Visual Studio's best features. It does a lot of error handling checking for you, and it makes it way easier, because just think if you had pages and pages of code and you can just click on it and it'll show you where your one little mistake is. So let's go ahead and fix it. And now let's try the debug one more time. Click on debug, start debugging. And now you can clearly read hello world. And now to close it out, just hit any key on your keyboard and it closes. Now let's save it. Let's click on file, save all, click save. And now you've successfully created your first program. Congratulations, and see you next time. Bye.